I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China's economy works. China operates a socialist market economy, where the state maintains substantial control while allowing market forces to operate. The government directs strategic industries and sets long-term development goals. However, private enterprises are a dynamic force, generating approximately 60% of the national GDP and creating most new jobs. This unique blend aims to balance central planning with market efficiency. Historically, China's economic growth has been powered by its robust manufacturing sector and extensive exports. The nation became known as the world's factory, producing goods for global markets. More recently, there's a strategic shift towards boosting domestic consumption, aiming for a more balanced economy. Significant investment in infrastructure, such as high-speed rail networks and modern ports, also continues to support economic activity and connectivity. The Communist Party of China exerts considerable influence over the economy, primarily through its five-year plans that outline national development priorities. Key sectors like banking, telecommunications, and energy are dominated by state-owned enterprises. While private companies thrive, they often operate within a framework of government guidance and regulation. Land, a fundamental asset, is largely owned by the state, with individuals and businesses holding usage rights. Looking ahead, China faces several significant challenges. Addressing income inequality and mitigating environmental pollution are top priorities for sustainable development. The economy is also transitioning from an investment and export-led model to one driven by innovation, technology, and domestic demand. Furthermore, managing the economic implications of an aging population, including healthcare and pension systems, will be crucial for long-term stability and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.